Hello my nuggets, welcome back to my channel. And today guys, we are going to be playing an obby. I don't know the name of it because I can't really read Korean, or I don't know what this language is, but I'll leave the link to it in the description below. And anyways, let's start. Okay, so we're gonna go here and we're gonna start the obby. Okay. This is pretty easy so far. I mean, for me at least. I'm pretty good at obbies, I would say. So I can see why this is easy for me. Okay. I have no idea where Miss Nobody is, but yeah. Okay, we're doing good so far. Oh, so you don't lose, you don't die, you just lose health. Okay, I get it. I don't know if you regain that health. I'll check. No. Oh, you do regain that health. Let me think. Yeah, you do regain the health. Okay, well, that's not bad, I guess. Wait, what am I saying? Why am I saying I guess? Of course it's not bad. Okay, oh my gosh. I almost fell. Clumsy me, brothers. Okay, jump. Go, jump. Oh my gosh! That was so close, dude. Anyways, later today, I'm going to be filming a video with my friends. Oh, I hate this already. Okay. I'm going to be filming a video with my friends and play the facility once again because we are simps for Play the Facility. Also, I don't know why I can't get up here. I'm like really scared to fall. I don't want to fall. Come on, please. Okay. If I fall, I'm gonna scream my lungs out, and so hopefully, oh my gosh, hopefully I don't, oh, no! Well, hopefully I don't fall all the way down, because then that would just be like, oh my god, I feel so bad for your poor ears, guys. Like, Nugget, what happened? Let's see. Okay, well, let's just keep on going up. Oof. So did I. Okay, so this is my only problem with this level. I'm just like nervous to fall. Oh my god. That was so scary. I almost fell all the way. I always land on that, which is pretty, actually, that's pretty good because like I don't want to fall all the way to the bottom. This is getting really hard, actually. I did not expect it to get too hard too early. It's not too early, we're literally, we're almost done. Yeah, we're almost done with this level. And I have no idea how Miss Nobody is doing, so, I will leave her channel in the description so you guys can go check out her point of view. Oh my gosh. Why won't it let me up? Now everyone's gonna think I'm a big noob. What happened to my shift lock? Like, honestly. Oh, it's off. Oh. I'm back, sisters. No! No! I fell all the way over here. I wonder how Miss Nobody is doing. Most likely a lot better than me. Sorry, I saw certain someone doing that in a video, and I kind of wanted to try it, so you know, they are better at obbies than me, so I can see why he can do that and I can't. Where's Nobody? Oh, she's there. Oh, she's gonna struggle with that. Hopefully she doesn't, but I believe in her 100%. So I don't think the same thing will happen for her. How did she do that? Oh my gosh, she's so much better than me. How is she doing that? Okay, maybe it's because I should have my Oh, wow, this actually helps so much. Wow, I'm actually kind of happy I decided to do that. Okay, well that is obviously wonderful. Oh. I fell! Oh my god, I fell! I was so close to finishing too. Let's give this one more try. And if we don't make it this time, then we're going to go to the next color, because there are multiple colors, and if I run out of time, then I will make a part 2 of this. Oh my gosh, and she fell. At least one of us has to make it. Shining through the city with a little funkin' song. Oh shoot. Sorry for my terrible voice. That was not me. Someone came in the room and decided to do me like that. No. I'm so sorry. Yeah. But anyways, we are doing this, brothers, and we are going to do this 100% all the way. And I cut because I just realized what this someone did, and I got so mad. You know what? That is okay, brothers, because I don't know. But anyways, I'm actually doing pretty good, like better than I thought I would do on my second try. Probably because I already experienced it, and when you experience something, then I don't know. I guess you're like not used to it, but like, I guess I almost fell there. But oh, she gives up. Oh my gosh. Wait for me. Wait for me. I'm almost done. Oh my gosh. Oh, she gave up. No, she shouldn't give up. If you're watching this, Miss Nobody, you should not give up, girl. Oh, she said too late. She said parkour. Okay, this is the part where I messed up. I want to see the layout of this level. Okay, go. So, do you want... Okay, that's it, we're moving. We're going back and we're resetting, brothers. Shining through the city with all little my light up like dynamite. Sorry, I have that song stuck in my head, brothers. Let's go here. Which one are you at? This time that was me. I know I have a horrible voice, but that is okay because it's not my singing voice. I just like to sing in my head, brother. I know I'm so lonely. I have no one to sing for except for you guys. I'm not lonely, but I don't have that many friends. Literally, girly is doing green without me. Well, I guess we have to go to the green now one. No, but that is perfectly fine because you know what, that is okay. Okay, you don't know rest mama on the best. You don't know rest mama on the best. Sorry, I was watching like a weird video my friend sent me, and like everything my friends send me gets stuck in my head. Oh, finally, Buster, I made it. Oh no, she died. Oh no. Okay, well, I'm kind of scared for this one because this one is lava and I don't do well with lava. Cause like your girl, oh no, I hate tightropes. Especially, this reminds me of Expedition Antarctica. There's this game me and Miss Nobody used to play before we started our channels, and we would like rage at it so much. Okay, and we're actually almost done. Wow, I'm proud of myself. It's always those last levels. Oh, gosh. Oh, my text is touching the top, hopefully that doesn't kill me. I have like the urge to sing right now, that song. Oh. No, she doesn't suck. I don't. That's what I get for trying to be a show-off. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, me and Miss Nobody are doing this. And when I say nobody, when I call her nobody, I don't mean like, oh, you're nobody. That's what she just tells me to call her. And I want to respect what she says. Guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here because you've already seen me suffer so much. I don't think you guys need to see more of that. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, make sure to smash that like button. I will leave Miss Nobody's video channel in the description below, and I'll see you all next time very soon because I'm going to be shooting another video with my friends doing a collab for Philly facility, so make sure to go check that out. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.